Hello everyone, this is Tohid Hassan and I am the uh, professional web developer and designer. Okay, so why I creating this video? Because I am offering some exclusive service on website design and development. Okay, if you want to create a website, a professional website, then I can create website for you. Okay, I will also provide you the domain and the hosting. This is the main point. So if you need any service, you can try my service. Okay, I can create any kind of website, with WordPress. If you need a e-commerce website or if you need a corporate level website for your business, or if you need a blog website, any kind of website, you can ask me. And I am going to provide my service in very affordable price. Affordable price. Okay. I don't charge uh, our price from my client because I believe in uh, that money is not fact, only the quality work is the main point of providing any kind of service. So what I will provide, okay, I will provide you a responsive and professional looking website. Also, you will get 10 GB SSD hosting and a .com domain, and you will get e-commerce functionality. You will get up to 20 product uploads if you want e-commerce, and uh, basic website starts from $250, and the advanced website is starting from $500, and the premium, the corporate level website, I will be providing only $1,000. So if you need any service, you can DM me or you can text me. I providing my Instagram, WhatsApp uh, under the video description. Uh, Thank you. Have a good day.